A lot of times businesses talk about what's their differentiation. In other words, what makes them different from the next business? What makes that author different than the next author? That service provider, that coach. What is the differentiation? Here's the reality. The details are the differentiation. It's all about the details. Look, many times in life, we just overlook the details, right? I mean, just the other day, I was hearing a friend talk about a plane ride and how we are over 70% water, right? We're over 70% water. And imagine you're sitting on an airplane and the steward or stewardess comes to you and says, what would you like to drink? You know, you kind of go through in your mind what you could drink, all the different things you can order. And then you say, you know what, I'll just have water. I'll just have water. Think about that. Water is the life-giving force flowing inside of you. You're over 70% water. And you just said, just water. Here's the point. Many times we don't put emphasis on the details. We don't. We simply just overlook them. Look, when I get a business card, I look at that business card. I look and see the paper quality. I look and see the logo. I look and see what's not on the business card. In other words, think about it. Sometimes you get business cards and it says something like this: author, coach, speaker, consultant, entrepreneur. It gives a million different titles, right? And maybe sometimes people think, well, gee, I'm going to overwhelm people with my talent and all the things I do. In other words, they think the details are to over communicate. Here's the problem. If you have a tooth that has basically needs to be fixed, are you going to stop at some office that says ski instructor, coach, and dentist? No. You're not going to. It's the little details that matter. You're going to go to the one who says dentist. In other words, they have clarity. They're clear with the details. So I want to ask you today, what is your differentiation? What are those little details that when people bump up against you, they say, oh, wow, look at the way this person does their email signature. Look at the way this person follows up with their contacts. Look at the way that this person handles complaints or addresses concerns, or the speed at which they have customer service. All of these things are called details, and the details are the differentiation between you and everybody else. Details matter. Be somebody today who actually outperforms your competitors because of the way you do the details. This is Kary Oberbrunner. Be a soul on fire today. If somebody needs this video today, share it, tag them, subscribe. Let's have people and businesses that really do amazing at the small details.